If you didn't know, I just visited Tokyo for the first time in my life, and as an otaku, I have to visit the anime stores. This is Animate Ikebukuro, and it's literally the largest anime store in the world. Animate is the largest retailer of manga and anime in Japan, so you can basically find it anywhere. You have to visit Animate if you're here in Japan. This Animate has 11 floors including the basements, and every floor is huge. Starting from the first floor, they had a pop-up store for Bang Dream AV Mujika when I visited. The anime is gonna start airing very soon in January, so I'm really looking forward to it. This is a one-to-one cutout of the characters and they look so good. I'll show you the stuff I got from this store at the end of this video. The second floor is where the manga is located. You'll find some of the new release manga as soon as you come up, and the older ones will be at the back. You can find the full collections of many manga here, and this floor focuses mainly on the shonen demography. And yeah, they even have box sets of One Piece and JoJo. This is deeper in second floor and the queue was pretty long. On the third floor we have more manga, and it's more on the shoujo side, as well as magazines, art books and more. Also, be prepared to climb some stairs on every floor. On the fourth and fifth floor, this is where you'll find the anime merchandise. The more popular series are on the fourth floor like My Hero Academia, Bocchi the Rock and more. Also, I should mention that everything is tax-free as long as you buy over 5,500 yen, unless they state otherwise. I didn't expect to see Reborn here, which brought back a lot of memories. I also found some really cool merch from Identity 5, even though I don't play it. I love that they made this corner for Bang Dream It's My Go. You guys have to watch it. It's so dramatic but entertaining at the same time. Sixth floor is where you'll find the CDs and the Blu-rays. You can find CDs from anime and voice actors here, and even Blu-rays which are incredibly expensive. You know, they even sell light sticks here, but I guess it's a must for otaku like us. On the 7th floor we have the only shop, which only sells stuff from one series or brand. I guess this is Niji Sanji, which I don't really follow. I did see a lot of girls there though. On the 8th floor we have Space Galleria, which is just an exhibition space. I didn't know this anime at all, so I just passed. The top floor is reserved for live concerts, talk shows, and more, but it was closed when I visited. Think about it, it's so cool that you have a space for this event in an anime store. That's why I love Animate. I didn't buy too much stuff here because I was at Akihabara in the afternoon and I already bought way too much stuff there. Let's see what I got from Animate Ikebukuro. This is a clear file from Bang Dream AV Mujika, which looks so stunning. And the logo design, damn. She's the vocal for this band, and I think she'll be my favorite. Just take a look at this keychain, it is so detailed, and it's based on the mask that she is wearing. I also found this merch from Girls Band Cry, another girls band anime, and I love it so much I made a video about it. This calendar is A3 size, so it's pretty huge. This is now on my room, and it's basically like a poster that you change every 2 months. I really like the artwork from Teshima Sensei. Next up, the Free Rent art book. It has been out for a few months, but I finally got my hands on it. Free Rent is just phenomenal both in the art and the story, and I love it so much. If you're a fan of Free Rent, I think this art book is worth it to be in your collection. And then the Megami magazine, and this is the deluxe edition. This deluxe edition is basically a collection of the art they had in the previous magazine issues, so there's no interviews, paragraphs or things like that. Of course, the print quality is really good. If you are in Tokyo and you only have a few hours to visit anime store, I strongly recommend Animate Ikebukuro. You can find all kinds of manga here as well as merchandise from the recent anime. Do let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!